Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to watch YouTube on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. It's really simple. Just swipe up on the home screen to access the app drawer and open Samsung Internet. Make sure that the watch is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or data if you have an LTE variant. Tap on YouTube and that's it. Search for your favorite content and enjoy. You can use the bezel or screen to scroll. And to access the corners, just swipe inwards from the corner to drag the screen. But if you don't want to do that, then you can also access the full screen by zooming out. Just swipe up from the bottom and turn on the zoom mode toggle button. Now you can easily zoom in by swiping around clockwise on the bezel and zoom out by doing it the other way. While watching YouTube on full screen, you can use the bezel to control volume levels. Now, while the Galaxy Watch 7 speakers are good, I personally like to pair it with my Tozo NC9 earbuds. They feature active noise cancellation, letting me immerse myself in videos without disturbing anyone or being disturbed by the background noise. And if someone is talking to me, I don't need to take these off. I can just switch to the transparency mode by tapping once on the left earbud. They are quite affordable, priced at under $40. You can check them out using the link in the description. That's it for now. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like. Let me know in the comments, would you watch YouTube on your Galaxy Watch? And don't forget to subscribe to Wearholic for more awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.